Hello, this is W3OY Ray, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I did a mail call unboxing of some cool stuff that I got from Arron at Southern Specialties, and I figured while I got some cool stuff, I'm gonna give it a try and get out of these here cuffs. I got them out of the box about 3 minutes ago. I recorded a quick unboxing and figured no time like the present to see if we can get out of these things. So I do have the key nearby just in case I end up stuck and there's an emergency or something. They are double locked because my wife isn't home. She went to go get some stuff for dinner. So anyway, let's see if we can get out of these. I have a covered instrument medium round hook because I don't want to damage any of the Southern Specialties ones I just got, not till at least I review them. So let's try and see if we can get out of these. Not that way. This way. I've never had cuffs on voluntarily before, so definitely never picked out of them before. So I understand the principles involved. Okay, good. We got double lock is off on that. Let's go for the double lock on the other one too while we're at it. Okay, let's get this off the whole way first. Okay. Let's see about getting out of here. Okay. Okay, we are out. I definitely won't keep picking using picks these because I definitely don't want to damage the picks. So that was a one-time thing. We'll build some tools for this from now on. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. If anybody is interested in these or anything else that they sell over at Southern Specialties, you can go check them out at lockpicktools.com. Thanks again, Arron, for pimping these out for me. I greatly appreciate it. Anyway, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your enemies. Get people involved. Bring them into the fold of Locksport and show them what a great community we are. Anyway, thank you again. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.